What's up guys, I'm Andy from 1A Auto. In this video I'm going to show you how to remove and reinstall the spare tire on the tailgate of this 2010 Toyota Rav4. If you need parts for your vehicle, click the link in the description and head over to 1aauto.com. Now on the back side of this cover there's a zipper right here. If the zipper is way down there, you're going to want to grab the cover and try to twist it a little bit, although it's not really that easy. But try to grab the zipper. Unzip the zipper. With that unzipped, you should be able to peel back this part of the cover a little bit. Just grab the cover, grab from underneath it, slide it out from the tire. Work it back and forth. And eventually, I'm able to pull this off. Just like that. And there's the cover. We're gonna have to take these nuts off right here. There's 3 of them. So we're gonna use the tool that comes with the car. Open the cargo gate. And there's no tools. Oh, there's tools. Grab these tools right here so we can pull these tools out. And this is the tool we're going to use. And loosen these up. I don't think these have ever been off. They're actually pretty difficult to remove. Keep in mind there is a tire pressure sensor in there, so you're going to want to make sure you always keep pressure in here. You could have a tire light come on the dash and you check all 4 tires and they're fine. And it could be this tire that's giving you the check tire pressure light. Take those all off. Now we can grab the tire and just slide it off. Now take the tire, you want to line it up with the lugs right there. Now if you were taking one of the wheels off the car, you're going to want to take the center cap off. And the steel wheels fit on here. I'm not sure if the aluminum wheels would fit on there, but this one has all steel wheels. Take these lug nuts, reinstall these. And just take the tire iron, snug these up. And that's good. And then we can put the cover back on. So the back side, we want the zipper part at the top of the tire and the sewn part at the bottom. So just slide the bottom part in first. And just try to pull this over. Like that. You can actually open the tailgate and then you can grab it from the bottom and try to slip it on a little bit more. Push that over. Now this zipper is a little bit messed up on this one, but normally the zipper is out there. Once that's in position, looks pretty good. Make sure that bottom's around the tire. Now we can take this part and start zipping it. That's what holds the tire cover on, is the zipper. Obviously not this one. This one's not too good, but hopefully yours is better. There we go. good. Then we'll take the jack tools, slide them back into the bag. And the tow hook is in here also. If you ever need the tow hook to tow the vehicle, you can get that out of the bag. Slide the bag back in position. Right there. There's no hook or anything that holds this one down. And then slide this vent side down, 2 tabs, lock it in place.
Thanks for watching. If you want the parts to do it yourself, check out oneaauto.com, the place for DIY auto repair.